Are you still stuck with the long, costly, and inconsistent traditional translation process? With Transflair, everything changes. Our multi-agent system blends AI and human collaboration to produce publication-ready translations, faster, smarter, and more consistent than ever. Up to 70% faster, 90% lower in cost, and infinitely more scalable. Let's take a quick look at how this system works. First, log into the platform. We start by creating a new project for the document you want to translate. Set the source and target languages, and select the document style, for example, whether it's a novel, a technical paper, or a financial report. To collaborate, simply add team members to the project. Once added, they can join you in editing, reviewing, and proofreading, all in real time. Next, let's move to the chapter translation stage. Here, you can refine each part of your translation step by step. You can edit both the source and translated text, run a terminology scan, and adjust any terms that may not be accurate. Managing terminology is key to ensuring consistency across the entire translation. The scan also generates summaries in both languages, helpful for contextual hints during translation, and for quick reference. You can highlight terms to see their detailed information at any time. If a chapter doesn't need translation, or you're already happy with it, simply skip it. This way, the system only processes what's necessary, saving time and cost. When you click Translate, our agent calls the language model to produce the first version. The goal here is accuracy, preserving the full meaning of the original text. Readability comes next through the reflection step. By clicking Reflection, the system reviews its own translation, improving fluency and tone, making it sound more natural or professional. If you're satisfied, click Improve to apply the enhanced result instantly. We've also added an optional proofreading step. It checks terminology consistency, performs a back translation, compares with the source, and even generates a translation quality score. At any stage, you can open the prompt configuration panel to fine-tune how each agent behaves, from terminology scanning to reflection and proofreading. Advanced users can compare results across models and prompts. This iterative process is what makes our system stand out from other translation platforms. Once you're satisfied with the chapter results, move on to full-text translation or full-text reflection. Processing time depends on the model, roughly 20 to 30 seconds per chapter. In full-text mode, you can view translations by chapter or by paragraph alignment. A built-in search and replace tool helps you finalize the text before export. Finally, you can export your work in multiple formats, PDF, DOCX, or Markdown, as a bilingual side-by-side version or as the translated text only. And that's how our system helps you achieve accurate, consistent, and publication-ready translations, from the first draft to the final export.